Welcome back to another BUC-EE'S construction update video on the channel. Today's Friday, March 21st, 2025. We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, across the street from the site of the first BUC-EE'S in the state of Ohio. Yesterday was the first day of spring, but it didn't really feel that way, did it, Sonia?
Not today, didn't yesterday either.
No, another day of flying a drone, fighting the strong wind warnings. But we got it done. So we flew the drone. A little bit of progress going on all over the site. You see some concrete's been poured in both parking lots, actually. So they're slowly making progress. It's not really a whole lot to say. It's going to be a short video. We just want to keep checking in every week or every other week so you can follow along with the construction progress. So no need to drag it out, right?
Well, there's not much more you can say.
So that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the BUC-EE'S construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
On our way home from making this video, we stopped at the Walmart in Piqua, Ohio. While we were in the store, we ran into two subscribers to the channel, Roger and Richard. They're both from Darke County, Ohio. They watch our BUC-EE'S videos. They stopped us and said hi. Got a photo with them. It's always nice to meet the people that watch our videos, so I'd like to say thanks to both you guys for supporting the channel and watching our videos. If you look at this area here where the two red arrows are, you can see a couple stacks of gas pump guards getting ready to be installed under the fuel island canopies. This is a picture of the retail store. I put a red box around the front part of the store. They've made a lot of progress on getting this part of the store ready. This will be the part of the store where all the merchandise is, the part that the general public actually goes in. This part of the retail store I've drawn a square around, and it looks to me like this is going to be the area for the world famous restrooms. Take a look at this area here next to where the restrooms are going to be located. How would you like to work in this area and have to figure all that out? This close-up picture here shows you just how much work has been done on the foundation of the building.